2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, CD player, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.